how to transfer from Bybit to your bank account. Now, this is basically how you can withdraw fiat currencies on Bybit, and there are multiple ways, but here's a more detailed breakdown. So first, navigate to your assets and then select the withdrawal. Now, you need to log into your Bybit account, go to the assets section, and from there, you can click on the withdraw button for the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, and then choose the fiat withdrawal. So look for the fiat withdrawal option within the withdrawal process. This option allows you to withdraw funds directly to your bank account and then convert to fiat currency. So if you have the cryptocurrency in your Bybit account and want to withdraw it as a fiat, you'll need to convert it first. So use Bybit's convert feature to exchange your cryptocurrency for your desired fiat currency. And then select a bank account and currency. So choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to and the currency in which you want to withdraw. And then enter the withdrawal amount. Simply specify the amount you want to withdraw and then complete the verification. So Bybit will likely require you to complete a verification process such as a two-factor authentication to finalize the withdrawal. And then lastly, confirm and wait. So review your withdrawal details and confirm the transactions. The funds will then be transferred to your bank account, which may take a few days depending on your region and the bank. And for more information on the fiat currencies, you can check this link right here. Simply just search how to withdraw fiat currencies on Bybit and you will see this link and you can check the fiat currencies that they support and the available payment methods. And that's how you basically transfer Bybit to your bank account.